位置咧喺水坑口街啊，上環。This is the Possession Street in Sheung Wan, and I'm now walking to the possession point, which has already been renamed. 咁我而家咧就行緊去呢一個水坑口啊，以前嘅水坑口個位置啊，即係佔領角咁解啦。咁但係咧呢個名就已經係冇再用㗎啦，就叫做水坑口啫。咁基本上其實我嘅右手邊呢，呢度有個叫荷李活道公園呢，呢度就已經係以前嘅水坑口啦。So on my right, here is a little park. This is called the Hollywood Road Park. And this is actually the exact location of possession point. 咁呢度呢就有少少圖片睇下喎，我都望下先，我都未睇過，所以都唔敢亂咁講再啲講述啦。1930年，OK， 咁啊1984年1月26號啦，喺呢度登陸同埋宣示主權啦。So the Royal Navy has occupied has occupied here and claimed that they have possession the island. 1890年嘅文武廟 Manmo Temple back to the 1890。有間醫院喎原來。So there was a hospital in 1954. 舊東華醫院個大堂屋企。颱風之後嘅太平山街。太平山街有條咁嘅街嘅咩？哦，太平山街景 ，OK， 終於明啦。Okay, so let's have a little walk here。咁啊，我哋係咁以行下呢一度啦。咁啊，難得嚟到，月深啊！ 咁啊，呢個好似有個另外一個出口嘅。It seems that this is another exit。咁啊，出嚟望一望啦。咁下低仲有個 playground 嘅。There is a playground down there。呢個係咩意思呢？信咩呢？信寶、信柯，日文個柯唔係啊都。I've got no idea what's the meaning of that. So if you understand, please let me know in comments. 咁啊，呢度有個亭啦，幾得意嗬。So this is a sitting area. So this is basically a Chinese style park. 咁啊，呢邊冇嘢好影咧，廁所嚟嘅。That's the public toilet, so I should skip that one. 呢度裡面都幾有趣喎。咁啊，有個水池。Here is a little pond. They have got some fishes and turtles there. 咁有啲魚同有啲龜嘅。入勝。The meaning is the first word 入 is like enter. The second word 勝 means win. So enter winning. Maybe it could mean something like making you win. But there is other meanings of the word win as well. Like maybe it could means enter into an emotion, a positive way, a positive emotion. 好舒服啊！好啦，呢度有個亭啦，繼續行啦。好啦，出返去啦。 咁啊呢邊都行過嘅，咁度度都行過，所以求其啦。閒心。So the first name means nothing to do, maybe. Not busy. So what is the opposite of not busy? Having time, whatever. And the second word is some means heart. So I think the actual meaning is to like clear your mind. So like a healing, so that all those how to explain this? So all those so all those problems goes away from your mind. And here is a little playground, but it is closed. 咁有個 playground 仔啦，不過就唔俾進入啦。咁因為疫症嘅關係。好啦，呢個荷李活道公園就係咁多。So that is the exposition point. And this video will end here. Thanks for watching. 咁呢個就係以前嘅水坑口啦，所謂嘅佔領角。咁我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。